Bybit versus Bitget. Which crypto exchange is better for your trading needs? Both offer robust platforms for digital asset trading, but they differ in fees, features, and user experience. Choosing right boosts profits without hassle. Bybit and Bitget are popular crypto exchanges that provide spot and derivatives trading. The core difference lies in their fee structures and advanced trading tools. Bybit focuses on professional derivatives traders while Bitget emphasizes social trading and user-friendly features for all levels. Bybit is a crypto derivatives exchange specializing in perpetual contracts and futures trading. It operates with a user-friendly interface combined with powerful charting tools and an advanced matching engine to ensure fast order execution. Bybit supports leverage up to 100x on select pairs, attracting experienced traders looking for high-risk, high-reward opportunities. Its low trading fees and transparent fee schedule make it cost-effective for frequent traders. The platform also offers insurance funds to reduce liquidation risks, adding a layer of security. However, Bybit's focus on derivatives means spot trading options are more limited compared to some competitors. It also requires some familiarity with margin trading concepts, which might be challenging for beginners. Ideal users are active traders comfortable with leverage and derivatives who seek a reliable, liquid market with advanced tools and low fees. Bitget is a crypto exchange that combines spot and derivatives trading with a strong emphasis on social and copy trading features. It allows users to follow and replicate the trades of top investors, making it accessible for newcomers who want to learn from experts. Bitget offers competitive fees and supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies for spot trading, alongside futures contracts with up to 125x leverage. The platform is designed with an intuitive interface that works well for both beginners and experienced traders. Bitget also integrates educational resources and customer support to assist users at all levels. However, the social trading feature may expose users to risks if followers blindly copy strategies without understanding market conditions. Additionally, while Bitget has grown rapidly, its liquidity and trading volume can be lower than Bybit's, which may affect order execution speed during peak times. Bitget suits traders who value community-driven trading and want a versatile platform with both spot and derivatives options in one place. Bybit excels in derivatives trading with deep liquidity, low fees, and advanced tools, ideal for professional traders focusing on futures and leverage products. Its strength lies in fast execution and a robust risk management system. Bitget, on the other hand, offers a more balanced approach with spot and derivatives trading plus social copy trading. This makes it attractive for beginners and those who want to engage with the trading community. The trade-off is that Bitget may have slightly higher fees and less liquidity during volatile market periods. If you prioritize professional-grade derivatives and cost efficiency, Bybit stands out. But if you want a platform that supports learning through social trading and offers a broader crypto selection, Bitget is the better choice. Both platforms provide mobile apps and strong security measures, so the decision depends on your trading style and experience. Choose Bybit if you are an experienced trader focused on derivatives with high leverage, low fees, and fast, reliable order execution. Option Samura versus Barcha would barred from with both spot and futures trading, plus social copy trading to learn from others. It's ideal for beginners and community-oriented traders seeking an intuitive experience with educational support. Make your choice based on your trading goals.